Okay, folks, I just bought 4 Battle Borne 12-volt, 100 amp, heated, smart batteries for my Super C. Now, do I want to put them in? Watch to find out what my final decision is. And to tell you the truth, doing it right this second, I don't know what my final decision is. But let's do some research and find out. I've had success with Battle Borne batteries in the past in my Winnebago View. Never had an issue with them overheating, but I've never had a heated version and a smart Battle Borne battery. What to do? Send them back or install them? Let's jump on YouTube and see what the DIY folks are doing. Yeah, I've seen the Wheel Pros, but there's a lot of other people that are pro Battle Borne out there. I don't know what I am yet. I'll tell you soon. Well, here are my brand new Battle Borne batteries, 12 volts. Just got them in a couple of weeks ago. Been researching it to death, as one buddy on YouTube says. Interesting, they say fragile, this side up and all that. So good job by FedEx doing that. So a lot of issues on Battle Borne, so I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and what I'm thinking. Let's open them up. Okay, one of the first things you notice that they appear to be packaged real well. A lot of cushioning here, styrofoam, etc. Yep, here we go, folks. Battle Borne. Here's the infamous screws. I guess they are aluminum. No. The ones inside are aluminum. And should these be copper? Steel? Maybe the outside doesn't matter, but Dragonfly Energy. So these should slide right into my Super C LiFePO Deep Cycle integrated heating with intelligence. So Smart Lithium battery. Living in North Alabama, I wanted the heaters in case it gets below whatever degrees and that sort of thing. So here is your product manual and all information that we're going to need. So I'm not going to install these myself, provided I continue to decide to install them. But let's keep researching this. But there you see how they come in. All right, folks, I've researched to death. I've called Battle Borne tech support. They were real nice and sent me these 3 booklets that you see attached here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and install them. I've had good luck with Battle Borne in the past. In my Winnebago View, I had 2 Battle Bornes for about 3 or 4 years, lithiums. They worked perfectly as far as I could tell. Never noticed any overheating. And I traded it in for this Super C, so now I'm about to put these 4 in there. Am I making a mistake? Look at all these YouTube channels here. A lot of them are positive about Battle Borne. Battle Borne for years was kind of the #1 Cadillac, or whatever you want to call it, of lithium batteries. But you know, one guy, he has 6 Battle Borne 12 volts. He's had in his Super C for 6 years. They're doing well. So what do you guys think? Am I making a mistake? Let me know